Hello viewers, how are you? I hope all of you are passing good day. I am also passing good day. Now I am going to share with you 5 English classroom languages. So without further delay, let's see those sentences. Number 36. Be silent everybody. Be silent everybody. That means সবাই চুপ থাকো. সবাই চুপ থাকো. Number 37. Listen to me. Listen to me. That means আমার কথা শোনো. আমার কথা শোনো. Number 38. Match the lesson with me. Match the lesson with me. That means আমার সাথে পড়া মিলাও. আমার সাথে পড়াটা মিলাও. Number 39. Give me a book. Give me a book. That means আমাকে একটি বই দাও. আমাকে একটি বই দাও. Number 40. Whose book is it? Whose book is it? That means এই বইটা কার? এই বইটা কার? Okay viewers, keep learning and using these sentences in your real life.